Hey everyone, today's podcast is all about crypto summer. Admittedly, I find the completion of the bull run endearing, despite the criticism from many. This is it, people. We anticipated a significant impact from Trump, but our expectations fell short. We noticed a 2% decrease, which didn't even coincide with the market's downturn. This is a simple reason: buy the rumor, sell the news. People believed that Trump would declare a Bitcoin reserve for the U.S., even though he has not yet taken office. Who is he? What is he stating when he says that he is powerless and must wait until he wins and takes office on January 20th? It's our time, people. This is Bitcoin summer. I have the video, and I will play it for you. We'll compare it to the previous and current cycles since we're almost done. Meanwhile, Solana continues to transmit. You know about Solana, right? Bitcoin is currently trading at 68.47, down 1.78% from Ethereum in the last 24 hours to $3,277. It is also 1.28% lower than USDT and USDC, which are both trading at their dollar pegs with XRP. I have a lot of affection for the 60-cent level, let me tell you. I think 60 cents is now the new base for XRP. Folks, you already know what happens: the longer the base, the higher we go into space. You're right, and XRP is just that. XRP is poised to make significant progress as year-end approaches, boasting a global cryptocurrency market cap of $2 trillion, $445 billion. What direction should we go next? However, let me assure you of one thing: as you can see, there is a break in the $74,000 mark, which indicates that a rise in Bitcoin is imminent. It's time to leave, and it could happen within the next week. August is likely to be a really bullish month for September, in my opinion. As anything goes parabolic and reaches roughly 20,000, there will often be a small correction, which is what we're going to see at this point. I mean, shouldn't I tweet this? XRP, it's 60 cents. I'm not even a you understand why I've been following Boron since 2017. I witnessed XRP hover around 33 cents for over 3.5 years and then break above 33 cents as the next bull cycle drew near. I feel as though I won't have to discuss XRP in the 30-cent range whenever I want to. I will no longer have to discuss XRP in the 30-cent range. The price then surged to approximately 192, leading to the dismissal of the lawsuit. Subsequently, every family member sold XRP. Did you know what I was talking about? Sent XRP, that is truly appalling, and I am never dishonest. Like you, I could never have imagined myself entering the cryptocurrency market in 2017. Even if I had invested halfway, or half-chain, in 2017, I would have likely invested 5 million or 7 million in the chain link above right now. In 2024, however, I would be sitting here telling you that the asset I had bet everything on at 20 cents was only 3 times higher. Rather, I fully committed. XRP, you are probably aware of how this story finishes. Please allow me to get to this now. Here's Keith's video, which we'll compare and watch as he breaks it down. Next, we will discuss what happened with Trump yesterday and show you some behind-the-scenes footage from Ripple that you most likely haven't seen. I hope you're ready for the beginning of September when things start to slow down, before people start the summer of cryptocurrency. What does that mean? Thus, if I attended, we could mix economics with what we found on Facebook. As you proceed step by step, you'll begin to envision the future. The chart is the same. Now that everything has kind of faded away, I'll bring it up here. Let's give these lies a little more breathing room. To run, let's assume I made a small mistake in the timetable and it requires additional time. Okay, that's taken out to the Federal Open Market Committee will meet next Wednesday, July 31st, on September 7th. It appears to me that the entire market is kind of paused, waiting to see what the government is going to do on rates, something that is pretty well known across all the markets. That tells me that there is a chance for the government to cut rates or not cut rates and that the markets are still moving in the same direction. They won't be lowering rates right now, which leaves them with one more option. September 17th is the opportunity pre-election, so we likely begin a pullback before the rate cuts occur, which implies that they would occur somewhere in early September. As a result, we have until then to move higher on this breakthrough. The break is already here. You previously stated that we should move by the beginning of September. We are currently in the formation phase. Hey everyone, it's already people are yelling here because of Trump. He didn't send the bags to the moon. You know what happens when people start yelling and kicking? The markets follow the sentiment exactly. Yesterday, the market was extremely bullish, leading up to, Trump's presentation at the Bitcoin conference. Today, however, the market is extremely bearish because the price hasn't increased. In fact, the price of Bitcoin has decreased by 1.77%, as you can see. The mood of the market shifts, and we proceed. Breakout. Keep listening, you'll see it. From the chart breakout, we want to see how far it can go. Based on this, I think we could go from 700 to 76, which is a fairly low number. I believe everyone can agree that $85,000 is a rather modest amount. This is less humble and more akin to holy cows, we're killing it, and if we went up to the two FIBs here, we could even push into 100. No, it doesn't seem like a high priority at the moment, but I intend to accomplish this by the end of August, not at the end of August itself. Do you have your calendar open? On Wednesday, July comes to an end. Is it correct that August is 31 days long and starts on Thursday? Since the summer is almost over? The end of the summer is near. Since Bitcoin is set to soar, you see his targets here at 77, all the way up to a potential summer high of 90.6K, which I have been talking about. People, let's hold on to these figures for a significant time, and as soon as we breach 74,000, let's take action. Place it inside the bag. Good night. The Bitcoin bull run is going strong, and it's still going strong. The cryptocurrency bull market is not over. Hurry. The bull is just beginning to emerge. Run, because after this change, there will be a brief period of slowdown and a corrective phase. From September to November, people will shout, it's over, it's not over, so beware. Just a minor adjustment, nothing extraordinary. There is nothing like a black swan, but since we just hit 20,000 on Bitcoin, there will be a slight retrace. Then, in November or December, the markets will heat up again, which is when your alts will start to move, Bitcoin will start to explode to the top, and we will start to lose its dominance. As tax season draws near, investors start pouring money into the cryptocurrency market. There is a slight sell-off in March and April, as people need to liquidate their investments. In line with annual trends, Bitcoin will be subject to taxes in 2025. Get ready, the fireworks are about to start. Your greatest points ever, every coin experiences a complete parabolic surge, and by Q3, everyone has taken a seat at the table. Q4, as we all sit around the Thanksgiving table, we're asking each other if anyone has recently looked at the cryptocurrency markets. Everyone has just been here for 2 weeks and is preparing for an early and extremely pleasant retirement. You are witnessing the unfolding of this cycle. Prepare for the summer of cryptocurrency. Since the crypto summer has arrived. The summer of crypto will arrive in 2025.